Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We're down here at JZM, we're picking up the 930. It's had a little bit of work done, so we'll go through that on a bit of a garage update, and we'll see what other work they're doing down here and hopefully take one of the cars for a test drive. So we were having sticky calipers and pistons on the driver's side front and the driver's side rear, and we've had those totally refurbished all the way through, and they should be good to go from this point onwards. Obviously all the way around on the car so that the car's balanced properly. So we've got a little bit of a problem with the compressor at the moment, so I think we're going to have to replace this. We've disconnected the power for now so that it doesn't seize and cause any problems, so we'll get that looked at in the next couple of weeks. The classic retrofit fuse box has been fitted to the 930. That looks a whole lot better than it used to, and now with the blade fuses they'll be a lot easier to replace. And then once the fuse goes, there is an LED on the fuse just above. I think you can probably pick that out. Let me see if I can point it out, just up the top here, which then when the fuse goes, the LED lights, so you know which fuse is a problem and what issues you've got. So much better than the old setup. The old plastic had started to wear, so really pleased with how that looks. And we've done the rear as well, so all the way around the fuse boxes are new. Adrian's getting his fuel sender replaced again. New tank, new sender all the time.
Yeah, all new for the fuel.
Oh, no.
Except the expansion tank, which is the original one. All the fuel is new. Pumps, tank, the lines, everything for the fuel is new.
This one I think we've shown when we were on track last time. The custom wide body C2 with the red roll cage inside. Just down here getting a little bit of work. Looking good as always. Nice little 911T. I'm going to take a look inside. I'm not too sure what work it's getting done down here, but it looks really nice. Love the look of this C2. Like a beige interior. But that colour's lovely. Here's the view from the rear. That colour's a great colour. It must look great out in the sun as well, and especially here in the UAE with the sand and the colour palette here, and then that sat against that palette. It must look great. Slant nose 930, still getting some work here. Still some problems with the fuel, over-fueling, might have some more serious problems with the engine, but the guys will work through that and see how it is. I think we've shown this before, but this is a full metal on the nose. So we're hoping to take this out for a bit of a test drive in a minute. It's an original wide body C2 993. Engine's just been rebuilt, new suspension, sports exhaust, and we're going to take it out for a spin. So the guys are just going to give it a check over because it's been sat for a little while, give it a wash, and then me and Dan will take it out. Sounds really, really nice. Getting a very nice wash down before we take her out. I'm looking forward to this. This will be good fun.
What, are you driving?
Yep. Looking forward to this. So she's had a wash. We're about to take her for a test drive. Right. Didn't have anything nice to say about a Tiptronic earlier, so we should probably apologise for that. And let's see how this goes.
Can we swear?
No.
Okay.
I've never driven a Tiptronic Porsche before.
I was about to go, we're going to find out how
Bad my driving is.
that as well.
Yeah, or if Holger's actually right about the Tiptronic. Oh, that's better.
Right. Turn in here, and then we'll spin round, get some clear space, and we'll do a lawn, like a pull from low down. Because we've got no mirrors.
No mirrors. There we go, that's a bit better. Tie rub.
Go on, go. Launch it.
Here we go. 6.5. Oh, jutted a little bit. Come on, 6. 6.5. Oh, brakes nice.
So it's not as lazy.
No, you gotta boot it though.
Yeah.
You have got to floor it.
Spin round.
Do a U-E or go down there?
You can go down there, take it for one more rip. It's tough without mirrors.
Just can't see without mirrors.
That's how you have to drive it.
Yeah, you have to pedal it.
Still no PDK.
No.
And you've got no paddles. Oh no, there's tips there.
Tip. I'm really surprised.
That's better. So foot has to be flat.
Yeah, you got to boot.
That's it. Yeah, it needs to be manual.
So we've just nipped next door to Sultans garage. So it's next door to Jayz Danton, where they do some drift cars, modifications, all kinds of stuff.
Mainly drift stuff.
Mainly drift stuff?
Yeah, all these are, well, off-road or drift.
That is massive. What a setup. She's a beast. This is cool though.
So I don't even know what that is. Some American thing. Bagged.
Look how low that is to the floor. It's literally sat on the floor.
Yeah.
So all except the roof is Kevlar on this. Tap it, Dan. Tap it.
You can see even the doors are still open properly. But yeah.
Jesus.
Carbon fibre inside.
So where we couldn't get Kevlar, we did carbon fibre.
Yeah.
Was that the cheaper option?
Something about cheap.
Wow, look at that.
In Europe as well.
Has it?
Yeah, sent over to Europe and did a couple of rounds in Ireland and I think in England maybe one round 2 years ago. And Sylvia's also competed in Europe as well.
That's really cool.
But the Aston's not. And the Aston is made, like the body kit's made out of crushed carbon fibre. So it's, I don't actually know what's the specifics of that, but it looks completely different to carbon fibre. It looks really, really cool.
What model Aston is it?
Vantage. So it's a V8 Vantage. Take out the engine, put LS, 2 turbos, full carbon fibre kit. Boom. But there's a lot of work involved in that.
Oh yeah.
So that's what the crushed carbon fibre looks like.
So that's the Aston Martin hood.
Yeah.
And the crushed carbon fibre. Let's see if we can pick that up.
It's it looks very interesting in pictures as well.
And is that just on the hood on the car, or is that on?
See, look, here's the rest of it. Here's the front lip.
There's the front lip of the Aston.
And I think these are the side skirts.
Yeah.
So you can see it's just a different type of finish. But it's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
So it's completely different from carbon fibre.
Yeah, and here as well. That looks like an underpan of some description.
But when you put the whole car together and see it as one, it's got such a strange finish, like completely different finish. It's cool.
Yeah. That's cool to see that.
Got on an Aston as well, is he?
Oh yeah.
So, and the front, the kit is wider as well, so it's much wider than stock. So basically ordered a kit from Japan, I think it was, and then they based the crushed carbon around the kit, so they remade the kit. So used it as a mould, remade it. So
okay.
it's a wide-bodied Aston Martin.
Used the kit, made the crushed carbon, and then wow.
Obviously, I don't know how they must have just redone the hood, used the original hood and remade it. They had a lot of the car 3D scanned, so
cool. That is cool. The bikes are lovely.
Yeah.
Confederate.
So supposedly there was only meant to be 50 made, and they didn't get to 50. So I think they're quite rare. But it looks like it's all.
They're unique, aren't they, in the way they look?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely a very unique looking bike.
But there's just not many of them around.
Very raw, robotic kind of style about them, aren't they? So we're not normally fascinated by bikes, but these two are really special. So the black one here has got a massive 6 kilometers on it, and the silver one over the other side has got 26. So they might as well be brand new.
It's just a movie car.
It's just a movie car.
Commissioned after the movie.
So this is the commissioned, gone in 60 seconds car.
Well, one of them. So it's got a signature on the dashboard. It says branded gone in 60 seconds inside as well.
So who's the guy?
Has the button. Nicolas Cage.
Yeah. I was going to say married to Elvis's daughter, but that's the same guy. Is it signed? Oh, look, it is.
I don't know who it's signed by.
No, I'm not sure.
Do you know who it's signed by?
That's definitely not Nicolas Cage's signature. Not that I'm an expert in Nicolas Cage's signature. Gone in 60 seconds.
But it's clean.
Yeah. How many did they make?
I have no idea.
How many?
Low 50.
You'd like to think that they made 60.
Well, that'd be a good guess. It's got harnesses in it as well.
How cool is that? Yeah, that's enormous.
Supercharger.
Wow. I think that's so cool that they've attached the nitrous and it's ready to go. Yeah.
Yeah, because...
Why not?
Yeah.
So I've just come back to Jayz Danton to pick the 930 up. This is turbo with a 993 turbo engine in it. Look at that. Look at this inside. This was a nice surprise coming back to Jayz Danton to see. Those seats are lovely. Oh, Recaro. Roll cage inside. That yellow's stunning. Look at that for a beast. Just pop in the engine bay as well to have a look. Look at this thing here. Oh, can we lift it up? Oh. Wow. Look at that there. It's immaculate.
Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. The 930 is back. What we might do over the next couple of weeks is pull out all the invoices that we've had for the car, say for the past 12 months, so we can give people a bit of an idea of how much it costs to really own and run a classic Porsche. for a year, and being able to drive it, use it, and then actually be able to, the costs of being able to maintain it. Like I said, hope you enjoyed the video today. Bit of a surprise, so the video is a little bit longer than normal, but we bumped into some cars that we've not really expected to see. The Eleanor car was a bit of a surprise. We will make a bit of an effort to catch up with the crushed carbon fibre Aston Martin at some point in the future as well, and definitely the yellow turbo we hope to see very soon as well. So please like, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Outlaw Garage 2013. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later guys, bye.